Hello my crafter friends, this is Sharona here from Creative Crafting World, and today I am going to show you how to decorate your project work. And I know this is a very difficult job to decorate your project work because there is always a deadline to submit your project work, and we know that everyone tries their best to make the project good and to decorate the project very beautifully. So I make some copies of my project and I want to share with you guys. I hope it will help you. So let's see. So this is the cover page. So this is the cover page of my project because it is a school based activity. So I make it little bit some numbers, letters. Okay, so this is the second page of my project, and you can see that it symbolizes welcoming, and these things actually differentiate your project work from others. And there is nothing a married women, which is drawn with some Gemini art essence, and this is the coloring yellow paper. Okay, so in my project I have 5 topics. So I have make a first index or shuchipatra. So this is a design, this is a paper cutting, very easy, and this is also paper cutting. Nothing in it, nothing is about hard work because you have no time to finish your work. Okay, so this is the first activity page. I was very confused to how to decorate my page. So I have an idea that I can make a shape. Okay, so the most important part is to understand the intentions, to understand the summary of your project work. As I have the school based activity, so I used the things which are related to school, which are related to students. And this is a girl student who holds the shuchipatra. This is cute, but this is the easiest one because I have limited time. And this is a A4 paper, nothing else, and just bordered with the black sketch pen. And I have also made this girl with the coloring paper cut out. I hope you will understand. So okay, so as you can see that I don't use the lots of stones or sequences because you have to understand the motive of the project. I hope you can understand my concept, you can understand my idea, and this is a nice strategy to use our natural things, to use our daily things. As you can see that I have make a kite, a shape of kite with coloring paper, and this is not a hard work but this is a smart work because we have to finish our work on time. And this is also pattern paper. And another one, as you can see that I have made a kite, and this is also an example of this strategy. And this is a flower, and as you can see that this is my activity number and leaves and tub, and I used the pattern paper here as a frame. Not only the frame of the paper but also the frame of my creation. Okay, so it also looks good. I hope you will like it and I hope you will use it. Okay, so there is another shuchipatra or index, and you can see that this is a wasted pen. And I wrap it with coloring paper, and this is also coloring paper, and I have make a shape very natural, very common, but it looks good. It make a nice effect. Okay, now there is another index and shuchipatra, and here I use the ice cream spoons, and this is very easy. This is the easiest, I think. This is the easiest idea because I use a black paper because it is a light brown color. The ice cream sticks are light brown, so I think black on the black paper the ice cream sticks looks very good, and it will be highlighted, and black is highlighted on the yellow paper. So I use the color combination and the sticks. Here is the sticks. Okay, so you can understand that I have used the invitation card also. It is an invitation card, and I used it properly because we have to decorate on our limited time. So this is not about our decoration, this is not about our creation to show our creativity. But okay, so you can see that it is a boat, and I have made wave also with the wasted coloring paper, and this is also the wasted coloring paper, and this is also the wasted pattern paper. So nothing is wasted, everything can be used in creation or in decoration because this is also colorful. So don't waste your coloring paper or anything.
तुम प्रीत
Okay, so this is the easiest. You can see
हो
that I
मेरे
have made 5 butterflies and cut it and numbered the butterflies, and here is the Shuchipatra. And next, the last one, my last activity, and you can see that this is similar to the first Shuchipatra index because this is also a paper cutting, and you can notice the similarity. Here the frame is dark blue and I use the light sky blue, and here is the light sky color is the frame, and I used here the dark blue.
तुम प्रेम हो तुम प्रीत हो मेरी बांसुरी का गीत हो तुम प्रेम हो तुम प्रेम हो तुम प्रीत हो
Last way of my project sum up at the end, as you can see that there is nothing. I have made just a alpona, 2 fishes with a fabric color, and bordered the A4 paper with a coloring paper also. Okay, so I have used an interesting idea. As you can see that I have tried to make it as a vintage door, and this is an Shuchipatra index. So there is a lock. This is interesting. There is a lock, and you can notice that this is Shuchipatra index and there is a lock, but you can open it like that. Okay, so there is my Shuchipatra, and this is the head of the ice cream stick, and all over the coloring paper I just cut it, and this is a wasted coloring paper and I have used it. You don't waste your coloring paper.
Thank you friends for watching this video, and please give your feedback in the comment section. Do like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.